generous, imaginative, friendly, creative, accomplished, proficient.
When you take Amazon to arbitration, who are the arbitrators? Like, where do these people come from? So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Who are your arbitrators? And they're generally either practicing lawyers or retired lawyers or retired judges. So these people seem to work arbitration as sort of a side gig or a side job, an alternative source of income. Some of them do it full time, and those arbitrators that seem to do nothing but hear arbitrations, I would steer away from. And the ones that you want to pick usually are the lawyers who worked with smaller clients, who represented individuals, who worked with small businesses. Those are the lawyers who are more likely to empathize with the sellers, who are the Davids, instead of empathizing with the corporations or the corporate Goliath that Amazon has become. So to answer the question, who are the arbitrators? Practicing lawyers, retired lawyers, or retired judges cover, I think, the vast majority of the arbitrators that might end up hearing your case. You want to learn more about arbitrations? Go to our blog and just simply put in the word arbitrations against Amazon, or just arbitrations, and there's literally dozens, if not hundreds, of pieces of free content for you to watch and read so you can get a really good education before you make the decision to take Amazon to arbitration and take the decision-making out of Amazon's hands and put it in the hands of a neutral arbitrator.